Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to release scores on Google Forms after manual review. So first, you may want to head over to Google Forms and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, from the list of forms, select the specific form or quiz that you're trying to release the scores from. So I have this sample quiz, for example. So before we proceed with the step, in the settings section, make sure that in the release grades settings, you chose later after manual review for this to work. Then next, we're just going to switch on responses. And next, from the list of responses and scores, just click on release scores button. Select the respondents that you're going to release the scores, then proceed by clicking on Send Emails and Release. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!